Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great day. Well, today we have part 2 of my review for DPClubs. We have 2 pre-stamped cross stitches. So let's take a look at the first one. Get it out of the bag here. Turn it over. Kind of reminded me of a Vincent van Gogh painting. The picture is not what you'd call great, but everything else is printed nicely, but the picture is not very good. As you can see, it is an 11 count, and it is a 50 by 40. It's 191 by 148, and it does give you instructions on how to start, how to finish. And it has a fairly good size paper pattern. This paper pattern will match the pattern on the canvas. Got some fuzzies over here I'm just going to get rid of. And it has 38 colors. It has 310 black, no 550 purple, no 823, it has 824. No 939, but it has 938. And it does have some 3371, which is that dark brown color. And no 3865, but we have 3862. So it looks a little bit confettied here, you know, where all the grapevines are and everything. And the leaves, that's where you get most 90% of your confetti. Did come with a toolkit. You have a poof ball with 5 needles and a thimble and a needle threader, and we have birds this time. I don't know if I can get them to look. So lately we've been getting a lot of birds. Let's take a look at the threads. They look very autumny, if you will. This kit was, oh, come on. Was $13.99. I like when they package the threads separately. Keeps them from getting mixed up and all knotted. But these do pretty well. Let's look at the beautiful colors. Well, there's only 2 colors on this one. They're kind of a golden brown. Not even close to white, right? And kind of a brown gold. It seems like it's got a green or another color in there. It doesn't look like a true gold. And there are no stickers on this to tell you which kit it goes with, so I would just write on the back. But we have blues, and we have that dark burgundy color, 154. But lots of greens, green golds, grays, browns, and kind of a magenta. Like this has got more pink to it, where this has got more like brick red. I'm not sure what color that is. But just beautiful autumn looking colors. Very nice. Let's put those over there and take a look at the canvas. I got stabbed by my scissors. That figures. Okay, let's open it up. Yeah, there's going to be some confetti areas, but you've also got the nice big areas where you can just stitch on forever. Nice big key. It is serged all the way around, and the serging does not go into the numbers, but these numbers and symbols will all match your paper pattern. But very nice, very easy to read and see what you're stitching. They even have a nice little picture there, which kind of looks like autumn. Let's take a look and see how big this is. Alright, it is 50.5 or 20 inches by 40.5 or 16 inches. Actual picture size is 44 centimeters or looks like a little over 17.25 by 34, a little over 34 centimeters or 13.5. So it's a nice size. Not too big, not too small, but that confetti, let me fold it so you're not looking through it, but yeah, it's pretty confetti. Very nice. Alright, let's put that together. Let's look at the next one. I'll get it out of its bag. And put the bag up there. I just thought it was pretty. Never seen a black swan in person, but yeah. It's a black swan with, looks like lotus blossoms and little ducklings. They're so cute. And this one was $12.79, and it's a DIY. It does have their product number down here. Let's take a look at its picture. Whoops. It's probably wrapped up here. Hang on. There'll be a moment. Yep. Nice big pattern. And you could do or not do the background. I mean, it depends on what you want to do. That background is $7.62. And it looks like the swan is kind of confettied. Does, of course, have 310 and 939. And then 3371, which is that dark brown. So, very nice. It does have 26 colors. Has the product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. But it's very easy to read. I didn't see... There's no, like, paper in there that shows you how to start it, how to cross-stitch, that kind of thing. So, some do, some don't. But I'm glad they're getting their patterns much bigger. Let's look at the threads. Now there is a big... Hang on. See, it's all mushed together. There we go. A big hank of this. And it's... Does it say? It is that number 9. Whatever that color was. What did I tell you it was? Oh my goodness. $7.62. It's kind of a whitish pale green, if you will. Try to get the color on it. And that color right there. But you can see the green tone to it. Lots of threads here. Hang on. Gotta get it untangled. There you go. So there's your 310 black, so there's not too much of it. This is your 939, oh no, 823. This is 823 right here. This is 939. And there's just one strand of 3371. Now it does have the last 4 numbers that is on this 1217. So, yeah, very nice. But I love that blue. And the purples kind of gives it an iridescent look. Lots of greens and gray, and you've even got your pinks for your lotus, or whatever they are. Maybe they're lilies. If you know, put it in the description below, because I'm not real good with flowers that I'm not real sure about or haven't seen in person. Now this one is not serged all the way around. Comes with 3 needles right here. It does have the product number across the top, how big it is, and how many squares per square. It's kind of wide. But like I said, so you got that. Let me show you that picture again. It looks like a vignette. Do you know what I mean? Where the the picture comes out. So you're going to be making the frame with that number 9, that light pale green. But yeah, very nicely printed. It is an 11 count. Let's take a look and see how big it is, if I can get it there. It's kind of consuming. It's like almost too wide. Does that make sense? Nice big margins. There's like 2.5 to 3 inch margins. And it is 60 centimeters by approximately 50. Actual picture is 39.5 or 15.5. So that's 16 by, yeah, it'd fit in a 16 by 20 frame easily. It's 50 centimeters or 19.5, and you got nice wide margins here, so it would fit in a 16 by 20 frame. So I think it'd be beautiful. Just absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Do like all the colors. It does have a nice big key, and it also has the colors running down the side. So, yeah. Very nice. I love it. Love the colors in it. I like how that pink, brightens everything up. Even the colors of the little ducklings, excuse me. Now DPClubs does have diamond painting and cross stitch. They have crafts and tools for both. They also have paint by number. They also have a separate Joy Sunday section. And they have no embroidery though. And there will be a 15% discount with my name down below in the description box. So be sure to check that out. And if they have any other specials, or they're free, like buy so much and get free shipping, I will put that in the description box below. Thank you DPClubs for sending me these beautiful kits this week and next. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.